pwede po kayong umupo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, sa inyong pagtangkilik sa aming palabas na Delia D, a musical featuring the songs of Jonathan Manalo. All of your messages, posts, comments, reels, stories, and TikTok videos of love ay mga bagay that we treasure and that we truly appreciate. We are down to our last 7 shows. We are down to our last 7 shows and 2 special encore shows on June 28. So kung natuwa po kayo sa aming palabas, please ipagkalat po ninyo, invite your friends, your family, your loved ones, your ex, your enemies. Feeling ko magbabati kayo after nilang mapanood ito. Maraming salamat po. And muli po, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Thank you for supporting Philippine Theater.